Hi everyone, welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you how you can upload videos from Telegram to your gallery. Be sure to subscribe to our channel, don't forget to put likes. Also write your comments after watching the video. And let's get started. So, if you need to save some videos to Telegram, you find those videos. They can be in two formats: in a regular format or in a file format. I'm going to show you how to save videos in these formats. If it's a regular video, then you need to click on the three dots at the top. And this is where you'll see Save Video. You click on it. And then it will show you at the bottom that the video is saved. If the video is a long video of a large size, then it may take a while for the video to load, and only then will you see the Save Video function. The fact that this video will be loading will be visible right here at the top of the video. There will be a circle that will show whether the video is loaded or not. If you have a video in a file format, in order to save it, you have to click on the video. And now at the bottom you'll see a Submit button. And you click on that. And then you scroll down and you find Save Video as well. To check if the videos from Telegram are saved, you go to your gallery on your phone. And as we can see, both videos have been saved. I hope this video helped you, was useful for you, and you understood how you can upload videos from Telegram to your gallery, no matter what file it was uploaded to. Be sure to put your likes, write comments, subscribe to our channel, and see you next time, friends.